This 2005 Chevrolet Silverado 350 HD is brought to you by Imports Auto Group LLC. 3,500 heavy-duty X-cab, long utility bed, ladder rack, storage boxes. 6-speed manual transmission, rare to find. 1 owner, 6.6 Duramax turbo diesel. Power doors and windows. Clean work truck. We finance. Never tires all around. 1 ton. Clean interior. Strong running engine and transmission. Service records on the Carfax. Clean in and out, must CIT. We beat everyone in AMP number 39 as price. Nothing to hide, no Photoshop pictures. Carfax available on every vehicle, must CIT. Call us today, 330-475-4817, or for more pics and deals like this one, please visit www.onlineautowarehous.com or www.importsautoGroup.com for the best deals on diesel trucks, crew cab, X cab, quad cab, king cab, FORDPOWEERS. STROK 6.47.36.06.7 F250 F350 F450 F550 2005